Today we are going to learn how to control home appliances like fan, lights, etc. using our TV remote or any other IR remotes. First, let me show you the demonstration which I have done inside my room. I have used 4-channel relay and connected 3 lights and 1 fan. So without any further delay, let's get started. So these are the things required. An Arduino Uno or any other Arduino or compatible board will do. An IR receiver, I am using TSOP 1738. And finally a relay channel. I am using a 5V 2-channel relay. Now let's have a look into the circuit. Connect the ground of the IR receiver to the ground of the Arduino Uno. Connect the output pin of IR receiver to the 11th pin of Arduino. Connect the VCC of the IR receiver to the 5V of the Arduino. Connect the VCC of the relay channel to the 5V of Arduino. Note that some Arduino won't be able to power the relay from the 5V pin. So connect the VCC of the relay channel directly to the 5V supply. If you are using 12V relay, then connect to the 12V supply. Connect the ground of the relay channel to the ground of the Arduino. Then connect the IN1 of the relay channel to the 9th pin of the Arduino. Then finally connect the IN2 of the relay channel to the 8th pin of the Arduino. Now let's upload the code. You can download the code from my website. The link will be in the description. After uploading the code, open the serial monitor and press any 2 keys which you need to set for the 2 relays. Note that don't press and hold. When we press and hold the remote, then it will provide a different signals like this. Now copy the values from the serial monitor for first button and paste it here. Do the same for the second button also. Now upload the code again. Okay, so now we have connected all the components together and uploaded the code. Now if you press the button which we have already assigned, then the relay will turn on or off. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comments. For more such interesting and informative videos, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notified when new videos are uploaded.
Fan activated. Lights activated. Lights deactivated. Warm light deactivated. Warm light activated. Lights activated. Lights deactivated. Wall socket activated.